Good job, man. Perfect. Take a deep breath for me. All the way out. Perfect. Good. And the other side.
I heard it crack.
Oh yeah, I felt it crack. Good. Perfect. All right, deep breath for me. And relax. Nice. Every time you smell it. One more. Good.
You just keep your teeth together. Take a breath through your nose. Let all your out. Good girl. Now you felt that all the way down, didn't you? Keep breathing. The initial soreness that you get from this adjustment, yep. And just breathe normal now. There you go. That's a girl. Yes, ma'am. I still got one more right here. There it is. I knew it was there. Turn the other way. Lay on your back. Hands on your tummy.
All right, Matthew, take a deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Good. Nice. All the way out. It's already going, Matthew. Relax. Man, that was tight. Relax. One more. There it is. All the way out. Oh. There goes your ear. One more, man. Deep breath. All the way out. Okay, right there.
Whoa, beautiful. Yikes. Good, nice relaxed in here. Good, good, nice. Okay.
And a nice deep breath. Yes, there you go. Nice and smooth. There it is. Yeah, it's getting easier, huh?
Oh yeah.
You do better now than you did before.
Oh god.
Yeah. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh my god.
Perfect. Brooks like Renee, she's crackalicious. So keep that one way up there. And tuck your chin all the way down in there between your breasts. And let all your air out. There we go. Oh yeah, now let your head back and your out. Okay, good.
Oh my god, that's my favorite.
I'm going to swing you around that way and just relax. Go ahead and get in close on this, Joseph, because this will make a lot of noise. There we go. Good. Okay, here we go. Look at that, falling in place. Good girl. There we go.
Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Getting some mobility here in the thoracic spine. We're going to get here for the cervical thoracic region. Very good. Same thing right in here. Excellent. Okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
There we go. Okay.
Since you know martial arts, we should call you Walker.
Yeah, I'm going to bring my nunchucks in here and just all y'all. And some of the comments y'all making on there, you're going to get the nunchuck. There you go. Very nice. They love those. Because he thought it all looked the same too until I adjusted him.
I thought it was baby hair.
There we go. Boy, that's moving better too. Yep. There, excellent. Got one more there too.
All right, we'll start right here. I'll have you take a nice deep breath all the way in. Let that air all the way out and just relax on the table. Here we go. That feel okay?
That felt great.
Good. Definitely some tightness in your back. Work must have been a little bit stressful today. Doing okay so far? Mm-hmm. All right. Perfect. Have you go ahead and flip to that other side too. Twisty up here. There we go. On your back. All right, so we'll go ahead and do that neck adjustment now. I'm just gonna tip your head over to the left side. Have you relax nice and heavy. Very good. Same thing on the left over here.
Good. Good.
Wow.
Okay. Just relax and breathe. That's it. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah. Home run. Now I want you just to let your neck relax in my hand. Perfect. That's it.
Feels very stiff. Drop into the left here. Very tight. Hold your shoulders. Put your chin forward. And bend forward again.
And then just
I just put a towel here so my hands don't slide, okay? Take some breaths in and out. Good. 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 Breathe in. Breathe out. These are adjustments for the fixation I found when he was sitting up.
We are very straight shooters here. We tell the truth in everything that we do. And that's the only kind of people I like dealing with is truthful, honest people. Not scammers and people that steal my money. Okay, exhale. There we go. That's it. Okay, I got one more here. I can feel it. Yep. You feel that one?
Right there. Relax here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right in here for me. Very good. All right, we're gonna try to get in here and get some movement. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right, good movement in there. Relax right here for me. Very good. Here. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. There it is.
Yeah, so you can't even turn your neck.
Yeah.
It's fine. Nice and relaxed here. Just let it go right there. Good. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Good. Right there. Good. Good.
Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
Oh, slowly. Okay. Relax. Okay. Hey, stop. Okay. Okay. Okay, oh. Extend the skull sharp. 피해. 자. 오, 오케이. 예. Respiração. Ótimo, perfeito. Solta o ar, relaxa. Sors-toi, sors. Allez. Respire bien fond. Sors. Marche. Marche. Marche.
There we go. You didn't scream near as loud as a lot of the men do. Here you go. That a girl. See how much easier that moved? Look at that. Perfect. That a girl. See, look how easy that's moving.
Nice. And let it out. One more. That's what I wanted. Good.
Relax your right shoulder. Oh. That's a good one. Okay.
Sors-toi, sors. Sors-toi.
Relax right here for me. Very good. Relax right here for me. Excellent, okay. Good movement there. Relax right here. Good. Relax right in here. Very good. All right, take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Good movement there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Good. Very good. Breathe in. All the way out. Very good. Completely exhale. Very good. Very good.
Yeah, we got one more. There it is. Okay, you felt that one down deeper, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, see, he's still kicking. He's going. There we go. Drop this right in my hand. That's it. Perfect. Rather than that person continually, boy, look at that. I should be quiet. They'll be getting on me for talking during the cracks. Okay. And you notice I'm going to come. I'm actually coming.
Oh, hell no.
And just relax. There you go. Now you should have felt that all the way down your spine.
Yeah, a bit.
Drop this in my hand. Okay, let me have you completely. Just tilt left a little bit. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah. Sound like a bowl of Rice Krispies. I'm just pouring on the milk. Okay, just keep breathing, exhaling. There.
And let it go. All the way. Good. And you're gonna just breathe. Keep breathing. More. Good. Gonna breathe. Let it relax. Exhale all the way. Good. And it's gonna really open your neck up a little bit. All the way. Good.
We found some areas of restriction right in here in the upper cervicals. Very good, okay? So we're adjusting through the areas of restriction here, okay? I want you to relax here. We're palpating again, adjusting through the area of restriction. Very good. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. We're gonna adjust through here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Relax right here for me. Good, okay. Same thing right over here. Very good, okay. Relax right here for me. Okay. Very good. Okay, bilateral. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you rotate facing the opposite way. Let me have you take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
So I'm going to do a Gonstead cervical chair adjustment on her. There. And there.
Release it out. Good. Breath in and out. Breath in, release out. Good.
Oh yeah, 2 times. I'm reading. It's like I have a wire inside. I can.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Nice. Oh, deep breath. And they get out of alignment easier too. Perfect. All right, let's go face up. Let me check the neck. Relax and retreat. Great. Oh man, your ears are just red now. Deep breath. All the way out. This should be for the heartburn. All the way out. Good. There it is.
And just let everything relax there for me. Good. Atta girl.
Good. And good. Still pretty tight up here. Deep breath in, all the way out. Very good. Deep breath in, all the way out. Good. Good. Very good. Very good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good.
STMJ. Open. Very good. Open. Open again. Relax.
Central, changement marido. Bem fundo. Bem fundo. Soltar. Solta. Ótimo. Soltar. Solta. Ótimo. Soltar. Solta. Solta.
So we're going to take a deep breath through your nose roll and exhale and just relax. Oh, yeah. There it is right there. Okay. Let this go right in my hands. Perfect. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Let me get one more. There it is.
Relax right here. Very good. Feel that movement in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Very good. Relax right in here for me. Nice. Very good movement. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Relax here for me. Very good. Relax here for me. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay facing the other way for me. Very good. Lay face up for me. This one you might feel it all the way through the low back. Very good. Definitely felt it in the upper neck, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, just breathe normal. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. And that's why we call it ring dinger. You felt that all the way down, didn't you? Hang on, I'm not done yet. Okay. Oh, yeah. Drop this one right in my hand here. There we go. Got it. Good job. There we go. Good job. Oh, yeah. Crack addicts are gonna love you. There we go. Good job. Now this is where he's having a lot of his pain. Yep, perfect. Good. So on this one, and I want you just to keep your teeth together. I'm gonna put this under your skull. And respira. And relajate. And relax. Oh yeah. You feel that all the way down? Okay, respira and just keep breathing. Squeeze my hand. There you go. Okay, just respira and relajate. Sí, muy bien. Sí, sí. And respira. Sí. And relajate. Sí. Mucho mejor. Sí. Okay. Sí, there we go. Okay, I got you. You see, relajate. Let it go right in my hand. Sí, muy bien. Good. There you go. Okay. Just like that. See, that was smooth as silk. Good. Perfect. Exhale. Exhale. There we go. Good. Okay. There we go. She always likes those. There we go. Good.
Okay. So what I want you to do is take a deep breath for me. Blow it all the way out. One more time. Blow it all the way out. And last time. Blow it all the way out. Okay, turn on the other side. Oh, that was really good.
Yeah.
Deep breath for me, buddy. All the way out. Nice. He's young, so he moves really easily. All the way out. Good. Got a side. Good. Deep breath. Nice. Man. Woo! Let's go face up. You ready?
Yeah.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Perfect. You okay?
Yeah.
One more. Oh yeah. Good.
Just move that. Just like that.
Wow. Oh, great.
There we go. Just let that relax there for me. Oh. Breathe out for me right there. All the way down there. Oh, oh boy. Now lay on your back. That's it. Oh. You mind if I take your shoe off?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. All right, Cap. Give me a deep breath for me. Beautiful. Perfect. Oh. Now you could breathe, bud. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Relax. Man.
Oh, wow.
Okay. My goodness. All right. Nice. Ready? Relax for me. Nice. One more. Oh, nice.
Okay. And we're just gonna push through that. Good. That moved.
Shit.
But I'll just relax my hand. Good.
Oh my God. Oh! He didn't break my neck, don't worry.
No. And this is the one that has all the pressure, actually. So, good. Bring your head to me more and let it drift.
Oh my God.
Good. Stay in here. Good, got it. And everything else, let it just happen. There, it's good.
Very fundo. Solta. Respira fundo. Ótimo. Soltar, solta.
Okay, there. Yes, sir. Smooth as silk. He handled that just like a Marine. Good job. Now, he does still kick on this left side. He's had total knee replacements on both knees, so there we go. That's it. You moved good on both sides today.
Sure did.
That's it. Boy, that was good. Excellent. Crack addicts are gonna love you. Good job. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and take a nice deep breath through your nose. There you go. See how I got down low and level with that? There you go. Take some deep ones. Yeah. And let me have your head completely. Wiggle your right big toe. Okay, that's not it. There it is. Okay. No, you're not letting me have you. Just let it go right in my hand. Wiggle your left big toe. There you go. Good. And just exhale there. Jared came in and got to see one of our big NFL players leaving. We take care of some big boys here, don't we, Joseph?
Oh yeah.
Okay, keep breathing. Whenever you get your business app up and running, we'll let you give a big plug for that too. Just breathe, just like that. You feel that all the way down, Harvey?
Yes.
That's why we call it ring dinger. There we go. Drop it right in my hand. Perfect. Same over here. Tilt right a little bit. That's it. Only crack addicts are gonna love you. Excellent. Good. Okay. That's all.
Okay, relax right in here for me. Very good. Excellent work. How'd that feel for you, buddy?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Was that your first adjustment?
Mm-hmm.
All right. First is always the best one. Relax here. Very good. Relax right there for me. Good. Very good. Felt that movement in here?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Completely exhale. Good movement. Very good. Respira fundo para soltar. Ótimo, perfeito.
Tá podendo levar o meu nome, o nome dele pro lugar mais alto.
Ótimo. Respira fundo. Soltar, solta. Ótimo. Out. Okay, right in. Out. Okay, right in. Out. Relax your shoulder. Okay. Relax your shoulder. Relax.
Nossa, agora foi.
Ótimo.
Bora.
Respira fundo.
Relaxa mais a cabeça. Isso. Ótimo. Boa. Relaxa. Pode respirar bem fundo. Solta o ar. Vai soltando, solta, solta. Ótimo, muito bom. Solta o ar, vai soltando, solta. Ótimo, muito bom. Solta o ar, relaxa. Ótimo, muito bom. Solta o ar, solta. Ótimo. Mais uma. Inspirou? Solta bem o corpo. Solta. Ótimo, muito bom. Vai, segura aqui. Solta. Ótimo.
Relaxing for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right in here. We're going to go ahead and come on the other side. And we're at about C2 on this side. We're going to go from posterior to anterior right here. I want you to relax here for me. Very good. T4 region. Breathe in for me. And all the way out. Very good. Okay. I want you to relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right over here for me. Very good. Sorry about that. You okay? Mm-hmm. Breathe in for me. And all the way out. Very good. Very good. Thank you. We're going to get some movement here in the neck, okay? Relax here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right here for me. Excellent. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Excellent. Relax right here for me. Good. Excellent. Good. Okay, we're gonna get some movement down here. Tender here. Good. 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 All right. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Breathe in. Completely exhale.
All the way out. There.
Oh, good.
It's tight. Good. All the way out. Nice.
Oh.
That moved awesome. See if it comes out true. Oh. Yeah. Couldn't work the wiper from there. Oh.
So, you guys have any ideas or suggestions, supports? We're still taking emails and questions on that. There we go. Boy, that was perfect. That they had like 110-degree Cobb angle scoliosis curve in their spine. Oh yeah. Just keep breathing, letting your shoulders relax. Let those go down all the way. Go ahead and drop them all the way down. There you go. Just like that. Perfect. There we go. Good. Boy, you're moving easy up here.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Oh, nice. Oh, man. Relax for me. Good. Sorry, move. Oh. You okay? Mm-hmm. One more.
Take a deep breath. And down. Good. Other side. Look at that.
Good, you're doing fine. Yeah, you can feel all this tension here. Just let it go. Good. Okay. Just let it rest right here. Good. There we go. That was better. Yeah, there's a tremendous amount of tension over here. Yeah, right there. Okay, let it go. Good. Okay, let's go this way. Good. This way. Ah! Whoa, dude. Oh.
Keep your teeth together. It's really hard for Renee to shut her mouth. There we go. Good. Nice and smooth. That was smooth, wasn't it, honey?
Yeah, I was.
Yeah, you're still kicking, you're right. Okay, lay your head in my hands here. Perfect. Tilt right low. There you go. Okay, I'm going nice and easy on these, so just breathe normal, just like that.
Okay, just drop into my left hand here. Right, it's so tight. Drop into my right hand. That's a bit better.
Oh.
Bend again. And just let everything go.
Oh.
I don't want you to get better. How was that?
Deep breath for me. Oh. Perfect. Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. Oh, this is the first time this barman's watching.
I know.
Relax. Beautiful. All right, deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Good. All the way out. Don't even wait for me. Perfect. Oh, nice. That was very good. That was locked up.
Good. Good, nice.
Mm-hmm. Good job. There we go. Excellent movement. Okay. Nice and easy here. Yep. Nice and easy. Breathe. Just like that. Boy, oh boy. I know you felt that all the way down. That's why we call it ring dinger. And he's got still good reflexes. We're going to go ahead and do a Palmer diversified cervical rotary break now. Perfect. Oh yeah, boy, crack addicts are going to love you. Just breathe in through your nose. There you go. Perfect.
Oh, man.
You're the crack queen, Renee. They love you. Crack addicts around the world love you. There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
Breathe. No, that would be exhale. There we go. That's it. Keep breathing. There.
Okay. Okay, nice and relaxed here. Gonna go nice and easy today, nothing ridiculous. Good, right there. Come towards me a little bit. Okay, just run. Good. And that's probably where his shoulder blade stuff's coming from. Yeah. Skull sunrise. Drop. There you go. Nice. He's been, let that drop. There you go. Other side for me. Let this roll over a bit. Let that drop. Good.
Let's have a deep breath in. Oh yeah. I know that was a home run. That's it. Oh yeah, that's what they love. That's why I never talk when I'm doing those. There. Excellent. Good. Exhale. Yes, sir. Now you should have felt that all the way through.
Whew, yeah.
Down to your lower back.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, and he's got a reflex here in his patellars. That's good. I'm not doing that to show you that he's not dead. I'm just showing you that when you adjust the spine like this and decompress it, it actually frees up the lumbosacral nerve so you get more of a reflex. Okay.
Oh my God. Relajate. Good. Okay, come towards me a little bit. Relax again. Good.
Why don't you take a deep breath, blow it all the way out. Good. Take another deep breath, all the way out. And one more time. Blow it out. Okay. Take a deep breath. Fantastic. All right, one more time. Fantastic. Traction. Okay, here we go. Good. Fantastic.
All the way out. Let it go. Good. Again, big breath in. All the way out, please. Let it go. Good, right up here. Good. How's that?
Wonderful.
Relax. Good. Other side, please. I'm gonna put my hand on your bottom. Relax. Here we go. Good. Drop your shoulders down. Good. And again. Good.
Drop into my left hand. Did I do that?
No.
Alright. Drop into my right hand. Put your chin on your chest and keep it there. Bend forward a little bit more. And another one. Have a hit here. Just let the arm out. Okay, let it roll off. Especially a tender sorghum. Gentlemen. Look at that lovely adjustment.
Keep your teeth together for me, Mark. Take a breath through your nose. Just relax. There you go. You should have felt that all the way down. Did you?
Yes.
There we go. I got one more here. That's it.
Take a big breath in, please. All the way out. Let it go. And again, big breath. All the way out.
Just try and relax. Just relax. You can hear a little popping. There we go. There we go. Oh, good. All the way out there, Carmen. Good. Oh, right in there. Really good. Really good. Let's take this one. Great. Take a deep breath. Good. Good. We're really up here now. Oh, real good. Really good. Very good, Carmen. Good. Beautiful. That was rock and roll, dude. Ouch. Just let it go here. Okay, let it go. Good.
Take a deep breath for me, Ash. Let it all out. Oh yeah. Home run. Now let me get your neck here first. That's the way. Nope, let me have this one. Tilt left a little bit. Okay. Okay, now just exhale. Oh yeah. Good. Just keep breathing, my friend. Good job.
One more time.
Relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right over here for me. Relax your head back for me. There. Very good. Take a deep breath in. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
Just breathe normal. There you go. Okay. That's it. Okay. Let all your air out. There you go. This is a very, okay, relax this. There you go. Good.
Breathe out. Okay, good. Nice. Good breathing. Oh. Pressure. Some you see. You achieve.
Oh, it's already going all the way out. Nice. Good. Nice. Wow, that was tight.
Man.
All the way out. Good. Man.
There it is. Number 10 coming at you. There it is. There it is. That was right there. Oh, there you go. This one's good right here. There you go. Woo. Take a breath in and out. Let this loose.
Great. One more here. There we go. Good.
Further with that neck of yours here. Just drop it on in there. There it is. Number 10 coming at you. There it is.
There we go. Yes, sir. That's it. Nope. Until left just a little. There you go. Good. Okay.
Deep breath for me. Oh, yeah. Deep breath. Oh. Nice. Right? There we go. Deep breath. Nice. Oh! Yeah. Good. Take a deep breath. We found one. All the way out. All right, back. Take a deep breath for me. All the way out.
Take a deep breath in. Out.
Oh, oh,
Out.
oh, hold on.
Just relax, relax, that's all.
Oh,
Quickly, this way. Relax, relax.
okay.
Relax your shoulder. Already moved.
Let's go ahead. Good. Is that sweat I feel coming off your head?
Yeah.
All right, take a big breath in, sir. All the way out. Here we go. And again, big breath. All the way out, please. Let it go. All the way. Good. Good. Right up here. Relax. Other way. Good. Good. And over here.
Okay, nice deep breath in. And there you go. And just relax it. Just like that. Oops, slipped through just a little bit on that one. Let your head relax in my hand here. There we go.
There you go. Lift your head a little. There you go.
All there. Here. Ready? Take a deep breath in. Out. Yeah. Out. Okay. Out. Okay. Relax.
Oh.
Okay, there's a little bit here as well.
Relax your right shoulder.
Oh.
That's a good one. Okay.
All year out and relax. There we go. That's why we call it ring dinger. That's going to take that kink out of your mid back and upper back area. Perfect. Yes, sir. Crack Hack's going to love you.
So we're going to set it up with a little tension, moving forward and to the right. Make sure his head stays as close to neutral as we can, and just give it a push.
Nice deep breath in. Let all your out, but keep your teeth together. Just like that.
Oh my God.
You felt that all the way down, didn't you? Deep breaths for me. I got that lower one right there, though. You feel that? Okay, you gotta breathe. You can't hold your breath. There you go. Okay, just keep breathing. Let it all relax. Okay. Drop this right in my hand. That's it. Yeah, let this go. That's it. I still got one here. I want you to tilt right a little bit. There you go. Better.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Nice deep breath through your nose. Keep your teeth together for me, Gina. Let all your air out.
Oh, wow.
Ethan, great moves. Keep it up. Proud of you.